of what happened over 30 years ago. It brought me the picture of our friend, our leader Raila Odinga, Kenneth Matiba, Charles Rubia, and the other pioneers of Kenya's second liberation. We all thought that we've taken about 30 positive democratic steps since that time. But unfortunately, today it was demonstrated that we are still stuck back there. The way Matiba was treated, the way Raila was treated, the way Rubia was treated was no different from the way we were treated today. The gains which we had accumulated has just been swept away. We started off the day peacefully, we picketed peacefully, but they confronted us right at the start. With tear gas, we don't know what the cause was, but that demonstrates to us that this is a regime which is 30 years behind. The worst part of it is that when we go to the city, I was with Baba in his vehicle, and we were actually confronted with live bullets. The same law policeman who did it to Baba the other day was on site. He was fully hooded and he looked like a terrorist. We took videos, and through Baba we are going to ensure that we pursue that attempted murder, because the law policeman was surrounded by others, some were on horse tops, and they were ready to kill Baba. You can actually observe the vehicle there. It has a wide bullet hole behind and on the sides. So we are